BDB is an end-to-end AI in advanced analytics platform. Today in this video, we are going to talk about a very interesting and advantageous feature that is called Data Insights, which is incorporated in the self-service BI module of BDB platform. So this is a feature built on advanced analytical algorithm which automatically lists down your key fields of your data set and provide the basic insights on top of it without any need of looking, understanding and digging into your data. So let's go on the platform and see how it is actually generated. Logging in inside the BDB platform. In order to see the data insight for the data which is unknown to me, I would first like to create a data connector for it. So my first step would be to go to Data Center and create a data connector so that I can connect with my source of data and then create a data store for it. So go to the New button, click on to Data Connector. We would like to take input as an Excel sheet. So we are choosing File, Data Connector, give it some name. Optionally you can give the description, save it. Now our data connector is created successfully. That means we can create any data mart which has file as an input. This is the data that we are taking as an input. The employee ID, gender, designation, team skills, joining date. So this is listing down our connector we just made. You can go to the new data store option, click onto it. Now for creating a data store or a data mart, there are various steps. The first step is getting the data. So give the data store a name. Today we are taking hiring data Excel sheet, so I am giving a name as hiring data store. Choose file from my system, so I am taking hiring data demo. Open it. I can choose the sheet and go to next. The second is automatically listing down my fields of the data as dimension and measure. I can go to the next. I can define hierarchy, go for data restriction and finish it. Now data store is created successfully. This is listing down my data store. I can refresh this data store. Now I would go back to my business story module and create a new business story for this data store that I just created. So I can give this a name as hiring data report. Save this. Now as an input to this report, I have to choose the data store. I would choose the one which I just created. Which is my hiring data store. I can view design. You can optionally take a tour to this business story module of BDB platform. Now I can just drag and drop and optionally see any kind of data and save this inside my story. Now we come up with an interesting feature, that is data insights. So we click on to data store information. And here there is an icon for BDB Data Insights. Click onto it. So in the backend it starts generating the insights around your data. To view those insights, you can click onto Data Insights and it gives you the basic insights and lists down the key drivers and the key fields for that particular data set in the order of importance. Here, if you can see that skills, it has identified as the most important key field, and then designation and team and gender, source and current status, and it has given me the basic insights around these fields. So basic insights around the skill is a dimension. It has identified with 132 unique values across these many rows. The most common skill is this developer, which is 7%, and the next common is .NET, which is 5%. It has also given me the additional stats relating my skills to the monthly salary. What are the top 5 skills by total monthly salary, average, maximum, and then count of skills by designation, by team, by gender, etc. You can pin it to your story. You cannot edit it. It gives you the basic insights, so you can directly use it, and it gives you the understanding about what your data actually is. If I click on to designation, it gives me the basic insights around the designation. Likewise, the team. Now I can add any one of this into my business story directly. So I would add this. You add it to my story, and it just adds. On top of it, you can keep on creating new views, and after understanding your data and having the basic insights, you can generate your own insights as well.